Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I said in the last video we were going to throw our S&B filters on, or turbo guards, whatever you want to call them. We're going to throw them on in this video. There's nothing to it. Couple of clamps. Swap them out. Got a full tank of E85 in. No fuel leaks, which is a very good sign. So we'll swap out those filters and take the car for a drive. I gotta run to the post office, drop off package. So we'll take it out on the streets. I'll see if I can get some good videos, maybe some Mexico pulls, runs, or whatever. See if we can get to Mexico pretty quick. So yeah, stay tuned, and we will hopefully have some fun. So yeah. So there they are on the car. Frees up a lot of room and gets the filter off of the AC sensor. As you can see, it was starting to eat away at the wire from rubbing, I'm assuming. This side was a little tight, not bad. But yeah, you can see the On3 filters. It's definitely a snug fit. The On3 filters were definitely taking a good beating. So started to melt there, you can see. And then this was the passenger side filter. That's where the sensor was sitting. So it was it's definitely a little crushed, a little melted, a little crushed. But yeah, so this car's not dailied. People have said they dailied them on these. Mine's not dailied. Don't drive it in the rain. Only drive it when it's nice out and not much. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be putting on it today. I got a catch can, it'll be here Monday. Clutch should be coming in. So we'll be putting some more stuff on the cars. So let's fire it up and we will take it for a spin. All right. So we dropped off our package. Well, I dropped off my package. And now we'll head out to some Mexico. Might be a little hot. AC is still out. We gotta get that recharged. But every Ford dealership around me is booked up for today. So we'll have to do it next week sometime, hopefully. Got traction control off, all the way off. Hold the button down for 10 seconds. And yeah, that should do it. Shouldn't have to unplug the harness underneath the hood. We should be good. I do have the boost set to about 10 pounds right now. So it's not all the way turned up, but it is not all the way turned down. I think it'll make, the lowest it'll make is about 5 psi. So yeah, so we're about 10 psi right now. I swear I have change in here and all it does is a rattle. Drivability of this kit is not bad at all. You really can't even tell that the turbos are there until you get into boost. So the The only thing I would say is that definitely burn a lot more fuel. I mean, I'm getting like 9 miles to the gallon, but that is because I'm on E85 and I like the sound of my exhaust and my turbos. So the combined effect of that is lower gas mileage, which isn't bad at all. But other than that, the drivability is absolutely amazing on this Lund tune. Cruising along, you cruise along like it's stock. Once you get into boost, it wakes up real quick. The 61mm turbos spool pretty quick. I don't know, compared to the 55s, no complaints here. They spool up quick. The car's actually really quick. I can't wait to take it to the strip and actually learn how to launch it. Haven't really done much dig racing. Done a couple pulls, a couple roll races. Actually roll raced an Evo a couple days ago. Can't even remember. But yeah, it just kind of happened. I didn't really have didn't have the camera recording, didn't have a passenger or anything, so we were just having some fun. And definitely a quick car. I believe the Evo was all-wheel drive, and it was definitely keeping up with it. So see if we can get to Mexico here. Should be right around the corner. So we'll let Mexico open it up. I think that was a cop. Pretty sure it was a cop. I don't think we have anything to worry about. The policia. Yeah. Alright. I think once we get around this bend, it's straight Mexico. Straight to Mexico. So this is, I learned about this road in Mexico not too long ago. It's not too bad. So we'll downshift, first gear, and that is that was amazing. Car pulls really good, and that was exactly 10 pounds of boost, which is what I figured we'd be making. This car definitely has some balls now. The stock GTs have a lot of horsepower too. Well, I mean, coming from me, who had a Honda Civic and a Honda Fit and a Dodge Ram, this, just the base Mustang was insane. And now having a twin turbo, my first twin turbo car, it's pretty fun, I have to say. Especially doing the work yourself. It I don't know, it sweetens it up for me a little bit, you know. Like I built a car. Well, depending on your definition of built, I threw on some parts myself that I normally never do. You know, I'll do brakes and stuff here and there, but nothing crazy. I am building my first motor. I decided to build an LS just because of the knowledge out there that you can find literally books on this and stuff online about it. The mod motors, I'll save that for a little later. But yeah, for now, I'll just build me an LS and have some fun learning. Parts are cheap. I literally got almost 80% of an engine, and I'm probably about 250 bucks into it. So I just need to find a couple more things, and I'll have a complete motor. I think I just need a valley cover, valve cover, coils, a couple other things, and and it'll be a complete motor. So it's coming together nice and slow, so I'm not complaining. Taking my time and learning. MGW should be here, I want to say tomorrow. I believe it's supposed to be here. So MGW will be here. RXT should be here soon. I got the fuel head, as you saw in the last video. Got the throwout bearing, pilot bushing. We got some of the stuff we needed. Got the ARP flywheel bolts. So once everything gets in, we'll be throwing that in. This is just a little drive. I don't think I really did an actual driving video of me in the car driving. So this is that. We got one pull. I'll try to get one more. That was the first time I've ever done a first gear pull. Even though I was on a roll, I should have just stopped and and had some fun with it. But yeah, I'll try to see if I can get one more little pull. I'm not sure if I will be able to. This road in Mexico is pretty busy. I need to adjust that parking brake too. That parking brake popping on does that every now and then. Third gear pull. Let these guys get some room. Alright. So the car definitely has some power to it. It is very fun to drive. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get another good pull. Probably wait till next video later out at night or at the track. I'm gonna try to make it to the track tomorrow for a street car brawl, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure if they're gonna be running the right way or if they're gonna be running backwards. Sometimes they like to run backwards, so we'll see. I'll head back home and catch you guys there. All right, guys, we're back home. Car runs awesome. No complaints. No complaints. The On3 kit has been awesome so far. Very fun to drive. If you're on the market and you're thinking about getting it, pull the trigger. Yeah, the fitment is questionable. Has its tight spots, has some stuff you might need to do, might not. But altogether, it is definitely worth it. If you're willing to put in the work, hands down the best kit on the market. The best cheap kit on the market. Let's put it that way. You know, you got your Hellion kit and all the other kits that are really good, but for a budget kit, $4 grand, $5 grand, this kit is pretty good. You know, it'll make power. They'll all make power, but this one will definitely make power. So we'll do a little walk around of the car. I want to check under the hood, make sure everything looks good with those filters on it, or with those screens on it. So let's go do that. So as you can see, everything with the kit is great, no problems. So far we got everything addressed. Fuel leaks are taken care of, car's running strong. So hopefully next video we're at the track. that's going to be the goal. Let's get out at a test and tune session, and I'll run this thing down the strip, see what times I can put up, and then hopefully the shifter and the clutch will be in soon, so we can throw those on the car and look at a drive shaft and axles, and then car will be pretty much 90% after that, and then a little bit of weight reduction and suspension mods to come. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for some future stuff on this car, as well as the LS build. I have been looking for cars to throw that engine into, but I haven't found the right one. I don't know if I want to do Fox or SN95 or a new Edge. Been keeping my eye out for everything, and hopefully we find something soon. So remember to hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment. If you got any questions about the On3 kit, fuel system, anything, I'll be glad to help you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.